Clermont's vibrant neighborhoods are known for their family-friendly atmosphere, scenic hills, and active community life. But with growth and activity also comes noise, whether from nearby traffic, kids playing outside, or weekend lawn care. For homeowners looking to create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment, noise-reducing door designs offer an effective solution. By upgrading to the right doors, you can block unwanted sounds, improve comfort, and even boost energy efficiency. Here are the best noise-reducing door options for Clermont homes. Solid core doors for superior sound blocking. One of the most effective upgrades you can make is replacing hollow core doors with solid core designs. Why they work? Dense materials such as solid wood or composite block sound waves far better than lightweight, hollow options. Where to use them? Ideal for both entry doors and interior doors, especially between bedrooms, offices, and noisy living areas. Added benefits. Solid core doors not only reduce sound but also provide better insulation, keeping your Clermont home more comfortable year-round. For families seeking more privacy and peace, this simple upgrade makes a noticeable difference. Fiberglass entry doors with insulated cores for exterior doors. Fiberglass is a popular choice among Clermont homeowners who want both noise control and durability. Insulated cores help dampen sound and reduce energy transfer. Durable construction withstands Florida's heat, humidity, and stormy weather. Stylish finishes allow you to enjoy the look of wood without the maintenance. Fiberglass doors are perfect for busy neighborhoods where outdoor activity can be loud, creating a quieter, more relaxing indoor environment. Steel doors with soundproofing quality. Steel entry doors are another excellent option for noise reduction. Strength and density make them highly effective at blocking sound. Foam-filled insulation further reduces noise and improves energy efficiency. Security bonus. Steel doors provide one of the toughest barriers against intruders, giving you both peace of mind and quiet. These doors are particularly useful for Clermont homes near busy roads or intersections. Doors with acoustic panels or laminated glass. If you love the look of doors with glass inserts but worry about noise, laminated or acoustic glass is the solution. Laminated glass has a special interlayer that reduces sound transmission. Double or triple pane inserts add extra insulation for both sound and temperature control. Stylish designs allow you to enjoy natural light without sacrificing quiet. This makes them a great choice for front doors, patio doors, or any entryway where aesthetics and noise control both matter. Sliding and French doors with soundproofing upgrades. Patio doors are often a weak spot for soundproofing, but modern designs now include noise-reducing features. Sliding glass doors with insulated, double-pane glass and quality seals help block outdoor noise. French doors fitted with laminated glass and weather stripping provide both elegance and sound control. Professional installation ensures seals are tight, preventing noise leaks through gaps. These designs are perfect for Clermont families who want easy backyard access without the constant intrusion of outdoor sounds. Weather stripping and seals for extra protection. Even the best door won't perform well without proper sealing. High-quality weather stripping and tight-fitting frames are critical to reducing noise. Prevent gaps where sound can seep in. Block drafts that affect comfort and energy use. Enhance the overall performance of your noise-reducing door. This small detail makes a big difference in busy Clermont neighborhoods. Final thoughts for Clermont homeowners. Noise-reducing door designs are a practical way to create a quieter, more comfortable home without sacrificing style. Options like solid core interior doors, fiberglass or steel entry doors, laminated glass inserts, and upgraded patio doors all provide effective sound control tailored to your lifestyle. Pairing the right door with professional installation ensures maximum performance, so your home becomes a peaceful retreat from the lively sounds of your neighborhood. With the right choice, you'll enjoy more privacy, better comfort, and lasting value in your Clermont home.